Yo, what up, what up? Hey guys, long time no speak. I thought I'd do a market review on last Friday's NASDAQ. Was actually a pretty clean entry for the NASDAQ. We had a market maker buy model going on just before 8:30 opening price, right? And as per the ICT YouTube mentorship model, we want to see a trade below 8:30 a.m. opening price, right, into a fair value gap. And if there's a break of structure, ideally it happens at 8:30, but there was already a break of structure before 8:30. So you got to be nimble. Now, what is the catalyst for this trade? Right, we have to look at certain things. I always like to see a market maker model when I'm trading. This is just because when you have a market maker model, let's say a market maker buy model, you always have two sides of the curve, right? You have a sell side of the curve, right? Let me make this a little bit smaller. We have a sell side of the curve, right, over here. Let's make it blue. And there is always a buy side of the curve too. So, which is this one, right? So how can we anticipate a smart money reversal? Obviously, you want to wait for a higher time frame POI to get hit. That's most likely where a smart money reversal can happen. But in this occasion, it broke structure prior and it had a failure swing. So this was the smart money reversal on NASDAQ just before 8:30 opening. Now 8:30 opening happened. Now what was the clue that this trade would be a good one? Break of structure prior, right? Very important to see. Do we have a clear target? Yes, we have a market maker buy model going on. We had an original consolidation, then we had an impulse move away. Right here we have the low risk sell, right? A return back into that original consolidation or at OTE levels, right? So if you take your Fibonacci and you take it like this, you can see perfectly going back into premium and fair value, right? OTE levels, then expanding away, small little redistribution over here, and then eventually smart money reversal, break of structure, leaving a 3-minute fair value gap behind. Now, this low had SMT. This is perfect because we have OTE levels, right? So this OTE levels down here. Let me remove this line real quickly. This OTE level is important so we know we are in discount right after the break of structure. So if we take our Fibonacci, this is OTE, right? We dip into that 3-minute fair value gap, which also has a order block over here, these two down close candles prior to the up move. Why is this order block good? We took this sell side liquidity inside this range and then we had an impulse move. Important, we had an impulse move up. So the fair value gap left behind is high probable, and what it made it even more high probable is because we had SMT with ES. So if I pull up ES right now, you can actually see ES went deeper, right? So this is 830, same case. We went below the sell side liquidity and NASDAQ was the strongest one. So then you always pick the one that doesn't make the low. If you're buying, pick the one that makes SMT, the bullish SMT, and does not take out the sell side liquidity. It just indicates this is a stronger asset at that moment in time. So we have the original consolidation, just like this little picture here, right? And then we're gonna wait for it to trade above it, and it also had equal highs in this original consolidation. Remember, original consolidation most of the time has equal highs or equal lows, so you can have that as a clear target, right? So entry in the fair value gap and then just hold it until you have terminus, which is the end of the market maker buy model, as you can see over here. There was a small reaccumulation over here, eventually aggressively bought up. So that was a nice opportunity, even though the whole day was bearish as hell, right? There's still fractal market maker models inside a bearish day. So you can catch, and this is kind of a counter trend trade, right? And price is just going above 830 opening to make the Judas, right? So this is actually a counter trend trade, but nonetheless, what is this smart money reversal right now? If we are looking for sells, right, this is the original consolidation. So we can actually switch it up and put the original consolidation here. and then we have a new target. So this would be the smart money reversal, which is also SMT, right? Because this is the same original consolidation, but we have no terminus over here. So we have SMT on the highs. So this is SMT too. So SMT on the original consolidation, high probability it will not trade above it due to the SMT, and then above 830 opening price we can see a trade lower because obviously the whole day was bearish. So I hope you find this little review short and concise as always. Hope you find it helpful. Hit that like button, even though I'm not too active on YouTube right now. I have other important things I'm focusing on, my own trading and obviously the group I run. So that has my priority. Try to squeeze in some more reviews, and I will probably release one of my private videos soon, which will be about cross-currency analysis, and I think a lot of people will benefit from that who struggle to understand how to use Euro USD, GBP USD, and Euro GBP with DXY all combined. So that will be interesting to see. But for now, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching and having patience with me, and we'll speak in the next video.